I just want to quickly address something that I may not have made a big enough deal about early on, which is the semicolon at the end of every property declaration here. It's essential. You definitely need it in CSS. Unfortunately, you won't get a message or an error if you leave it off, but it is wrong. For example, let's say I leave it off here, color magenta, and I save. I'm going to refresh my page. My styles aren't applying to my buttons. They're not magenta and they don't have a cyan background color. Now, VS Code does tell you in the editor, it tells you, that it's expecting a semicolon. That's one of the good reasons to use VS Code. You get that little highlight. Hopefully that shows up on here. This is super useful as well with things like JavaScript, but we don't get any error in the browser. It doesn't tell us we did something wrong. It just ignores that. So those semicolons are crucial. It's how we tell CSS, or it's how the browser recognizes this is the end of a property declaration and we're on to the next property. So make sure those are there. And if something does not appear to be working, that's one of the reasons. If you're sure that it's written correctly, just check that semicolon. I don't know if I made a big enough deal about it, but now I have. Okay.